Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to Home and Harmony. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here because today we're diving into something magical, transforming your tiny space into a Muuto-inspired summer haven. If you're new here, I'm your design-loving friend who believes every small space deserves big style. We're exploring how Scandinavian pastels and modern touches can breathe life into compact living. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to fall in love with your space all over again. Your entryway sets the tone for everything that follows. And with Muuto's philosophy, it should whisper welcome home in the most elegant way. Think clean lines meets warm functionality. A sleek shoe cabinet in pale oak becomes your foundation. Choose one with both closed storage and open shelving for daily essentials. Add a circular mirror with a thin brass frame to reflect light and create depth. A simple wooden peg rail in natural birch handles, coats and bags with Scandinavian grace. Complete the look with a hand-woven jute mat in soft cream tones. Open-plan living in small spaces is all about creating zones without walls, what we call invisible boundaries in design. Position your sofa perpendicular to the wall to naturally separate living from dining areas. Choose a low-profile media console in white or light wood that doesn't compete with your mounted TV. Your dining table should be round or oval to encourage flow. Think light oak with simple tulip-style legs. The kitchen stays cohesive with handleless cabinets and a compact coffee station featuring a sleek espresso machine in matte black or soft sage green. The secret to a successful tiny home office lies in pieces that pull double duty while maintaining that Muuto aesthetic. A compact desk with built-in storage in light wood becomes your command center. Add a small vintage radio in pastel pink or mint green for personality and ambience. Your desk clock should be a statement piece. Consider a geometric design in brass or concrete. Create a reading nook nearby with a low-profile armchair in buccal fabric, paired with a slender floor lamp. This corner becomes your retreat for both work calls and weekend novels. Your bedroom should feel like a cloud, soft, serene, and utterly peaceful. Start with a platform bed in light wood or white to keep things airy. Layer organic cotton bedding in soft whites and pale blush tones. A floating nightstand keeps floor space clear while providing essential storage. Add texture with a chunky knit throw in cream or the softest gray. Wall-mounted reading lights with adjustable arms eliminate the need for table lamps. Keep decor minimal, perhaps a single ceramic vase with dried pampas grass or a small piece of abstract art in muted tones. Even the tiniest bathroom can embody Muuto's sophisticated simplicity. A floating vanity in light wood creates the illusion of more space while offering storage. Choose a vessel sink in white ceramic for that modern Scandinavian touch. Your shower area benefits from a rainfall showerhead and simple glass panel, no heavy curtains needed. Add warmth with a wooden bath mat and fluffy towels in soft sage or dusty pink. A round mirror with no frame keeps things clean, while small potted plants on floating shelves bring life to the space. Lighting is where Muuto truly shines, and your small space deserves that same thoughtful approach. Layer your lighting with 3 key elements: ambient, task, and accent. A statement pendant light in soft brass or matte white becomes your room's jewelry. Hang it over your dining table or kitchen island. Add table lamps with fabric shades in cream or soft gray for cozy evenings. Consider a track lighting system for flexibility, allowing you to highlight different areas throughout the day. Candles in simple glass holders create that high atmosphere Scandinavians are famous for. Your balcony, no matter how small, can become an extension of your living space with the right approach. Start with weather-resistant furniture in light wood or powder-coated metal in soft colors. A bistro set in white or sage green provides dining space without overwhelming the area. Add privacy and softness with bamboo screening or light fabric panels. Incorporate planters in geometric shapes. Concrete or ceramic in neutral tones work beautifully. String lights or a small lantern create ambience for evening relaxation. Don't forget a small outdoor rug to define the space and add comfort underfoot. This is where your personality shines through the Muuto-inspired framework. Handmade pillows in organic cotton or linen add texture and warmth. Choose soft pastels or natural whites. A handcrafted ceramic bowl or vase becomes both functional and artistic. Your personalized rug might feature a simple geometric pattern in muted tones, grounding your space while adding visual interest. Consider a macrame wall hanging or a piece of pottery you've made yourself. These personal elements should feel intentional and curated, not cluttered. Remember, in Scandinavian design, every piece has purpose and beauty. Muuto's genius lies in their masterful use of color. They understand that pastels aren't just pretty, they're powerful mood enhancers. Soft sage green promotes calm and connection to nature, perfect for your bedroom or reading nook. Dusty pink adds warmth without overwhelming small spaces, ideal for textiles and accessories. Cream and off-white create a sense of spaciousness and light, essential for tiny homes. These colors work together because they're all pulled from nature's own palette. When choosing your pieces, stick to this family of colors but vary the textures and finishes to create depth and interest. Smart storage is the backbone of any successful small space, and Muuto's approach makes it beautiful too. Ottoman storage in soft fabric serves double duty as seating and a hiding spot for throws and books. Wall-mounted shelves in light wood display your favorite objects while keeping surfaces clear. A credenza or sideboard becomes a landing spot for daily essentials while housing less attractive items behind closed doors. Use baskets in natural materials like rattan or jute for visible storage that adds texture. Remember, the best storage solutions are the ones you don't notice. They blend seamlessly with your design aesthetic. Textiles are your secret weapon for adding coziness to clean Scandinavian lines. Layer different textures: a chunky knit throw over smooth linen cushions, a jute rug under a soft cotton sofa. Choose natural fibers whenever possible. Cotton, linen, wool, and silk all age beautifully and feel luxurious. Your window treatments should be simple. Perhaps linen panels in white or cream that can be tied back for maximum light. Don't be afraid to mix patterns, subtly a stripe with a geometric, or a solid with a barely there print. The key is keeping everything within your established color palette. Plants are essential in Scandinavian design. They bring life, color, and that crucial connection to nature. In small spaces, choose plants that earn their keep. A fiddle leaf fig in the corner adds drama and height, while small on floating shelves require minimal care. Hanging planters save floor space while adding visual interest at eye level. Choose planters in materials that complement your space, ceramic in soft colors, or natural wood and rattan. Remember, it's better to have a few healthy, well-placed plants than many struggling ones. Each plant should feel intentional and contribute to the overall calm atmosphere. Summer in a Muuto-inspired space means embracing lightness and airiness. Swap heavy winter textiles for lightweight linens and cottons in fresh whites and soft pastels. Add seasonal elements like a bowl of fresh fruit, light floral arrangements, or beach-collected shells in a simple ceramic dish. Consider changing your lighting to warmer, softer options for those long summer evenings. Open your windows and let natural light flood in. This is when your carefully chosen light colors and reflective surfaces really shine. Summer is also perfect for adding that occasional pop of color through fresh flowers or a vibrant throw pillow. Creating a Muuto-inspired space doesn't require breaking the bank. It's about understanding the principles and shopping smart. Look for clean-lined furniture at affordable retailers, focusing on light woods and simple shapes. Thrift stores often have perfect pieces that just need a light sanding or fresh coat of paint in your chosen palette. DIY projects can add that handmade touch. Try making your own throw pillows or painting terracotta pots in soft pastels. Invest in one or two statement pieces and build around them with more affordable finds. Remember, it's the overall feeling and cohesion that matters most. And there you have it, my design-loving friends, your complete guide to creating a Muuto-inspired summer sanctuary in your tiny space. Remember, great design isn't about having the biggest budget or the largest space. It's about being intentional, with every choice and creating harmony between function and beauty. Each element we've discussed works together to create that effortlessly elegant Scandinavian feeling that makes every day feel like a retreat. If this video inspired you to transform your space, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embrace the beauty of small space living. Until next time, keep creating spaces that spark joy.